Hey Sam, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for requesting this custom video. As you can see, I'm on your website and it looks like you have a pretty nice website. You've got a little bit of content, some gorgeous pictures. Okay, so um, it doesn't look like you have nearly enough content that you need to be ranking and getting those organic leads. Um, so the rule of thumb, let me scroll up here a second. So the rule of thumb is that you should have approximately 1,500 words on your homepage. And that equals about 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that's location based that you're trying to rank for. So, most of your customers, or a lot of customers, may not know the name of your business, but they know specifically the service or product they're looking for. And so, those are the key words that you need to be using along with the location so that you can be found for those services. And unfortunately, as nice as your page looks, Google does not rank based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that search the internet and they index every one of your pages for those content and buyer intent keywords so that they can place you in front of your customers. So it's really, really important that every one of your pages have the right amount of content and the keywords. And if you service multiple locations, you need to have location pages as well with content and keywords so you can be found in those areas. Now, if we look at your top competitor in Scottsdale, it's Presidential Pools. And looking at their site, they have a little bit of content here. Okay, so not a whole lot of content going on. So, content wise, they should be easy to beat because you need to have more content than your top competitors. So, getting more content and going after those keywords on each of your pages so that you can rank for each of your pages is really, really critical. If we go over to this program, this is Ahrefs, and it shows us how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a score of a 2 out of 100. And that is 100% because of your backlinks and domains. Having a 2 with this many backlinks says that most of these backlinks are junk and spam. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to have really good, high authoritative backlinks. And we're only seeing that you're getting 153 traffic on average per month. When we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 30 for their entire domain, and that is because they have over 4,000 backlinks. So in order to beat this competitor, you have to have not just more backlinks, but better quality backlinks as well. They're being indexed for over 3,000 keywords. And so their website is seeing almost 8,000 potential customers to their website every single month. So that just shows you how much volume is out there that you're missing out on. And what a keyword is, it's when one website links to another website and it drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant these websites are and the higher ranking, the more that it's going to boost you up in Google. And then if you're making sure that each of those backlinks are do follow backlinks, they will share the power of those high ranking sites with you and help you rank even faster. So these backlinks need to be tied to your keywords and they need to be going to each of your pages. And the last thing I wanted to show you real quick is something called citations. So when a customer puts a search in Google, one of the first things that generally pops up are ads. But then is this map section, is the Google My Business. And your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section. It's a very competitive area. And in order to get here and stay here has to do with citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, etc. And you need to have a lot more than your top competitors. Yes, there are other factors involved as well, but that is the key factor to getting up here. And if you're not up here, you're handing money to your competition. 30% of people come here and won't go any further. So you definitely want to get in these top 3. So if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number 1 across Google for each of your pages and keywords. You could actually have the entire front page with your website by following these tips that I've given you. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because it's free education. I just ask you go ahead and give me some feedback. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you just don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and reply to my email and we can schedule a time to chat, or give me a call at this number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.